Looking to convert Google search results into a lead database? Well, I'll be showing you how to use Spylead to scrape Google SERP results and directly get your prospects' emails in 1 minute. What's up, guys? Mano here from Spylead.com, the one platform to find anyone's emails from anywhere. Create a Spylead account now to scrape and find emails of prospects from Google SERP. It's fast. You can scrape hundreds of search results per minute. And it's safe. Emails are truly verified because there's nothing worse than bouncing and harming your domain reputation. With a Spylead account, you'll get 25 credits free per month, which will allow you to scrape 250 leads from Google SERP. Ready? Let's go! Log into your Spylead account to land on the Spylead app. Then, click on Search Engine on the top left of the page. It's time to set up your Google SERP scraping campaign. Today, let's say that our prospects are emailing automation tools. First, give a relevant name to your campaign. Here, I'll name it emailing automation tools. Then, type your search query. This is the keyword that you will put on Google. Spylead will look for it on Google search and scrape the results that appear. I'll search here for email automation. Now, select the type of results you want. Choose organic results to scrape only email automation softwares that ranked on Google search for this query. Or select Google Ads to find only the emailing tools who advertise their websites on this Google search. Or select all to find both options. Time to select a country. Google will give you different results if you're searching for the same keyword from like Google India or Google USA. Here, I'm looking for emailing tools who work on the American market. So I'll select the United States to scrape Google USA results. Now, you might want to refine the search location to a specific region. Here, I'll stay on the whole country. Then select if you want to scrape the results that Google give to mobile users or desktop users. The ranking might be different between both. Finally, type how many leads you want to find. Spylead will start scraping from the first results of the first page. So type 10 to scrape the first 10 results. I recommend scraping maximum 100 results per campaign to have only relevant results. Just note that it will cost you 1 Spylead credit per 10 results. The setup is done. Let's find prospects. Click on the Start Scraping blue button. Done. It just took us 1 minute to convert a Google search into a list of prospects in the emailing automation industry. Spylead found the emails of each website from the whole web, not only from their website's contact page. Now you can verify these emails by selecting rows and clicking on Verify Emails here. It will cost you 0.25 Spylead credit per verification, so 1 credit per 4 verifications. Spylead also extracted useful business and tech information about each corporate. You should definitely use it to personalize your emailing campaign. To do so, you can import your list as it is as a CSV file. Click on the Download as CSV button here and choose which rows you want to download. Maybe only the rows with deliverable emails, or all of the leads with emails, should they be 100% deliverable or not, or even all the websites found with and without associated emails. Select one option and click on Download. Otherwise, you can move leads from your campaign to your lead management dashboard. Select the relevant rows or all of them and click on Export to Lead List. Choose the destination list and voila! Now click here to learn how to scrape and find emails of those corporate employees on LinkedIn. See you soon on Spylead.com.